Who peeled out my driveway? How dare they? Yo, welcome back. So today we have a little Morimoto unboxing. It's right over here. I'm not gonna do that. Let's just do this. Okay, so here's the box. It's the third brake light for Morimoto going on my truck. This can be an unboxing because I haven't unboxed it yet. Yes, my voice has gotten better. Thank you for asking. That's awfully kind of you. So I got this from Michael May once again. Now Michael May, 2-3 Designs, comes through for me all the time. I've gotten headlights from him, the Morimoto headlights, XBs, fog lights. If I can focus this thing. Fog lights. I've gotten the 5th gen tail lights from him as well. And now the brake light. I have not opened this box yet. It's been sitting in my room for a little bit. It's been raining a lot up here. This is like one of the rare days that it's sunny out, so I'm like, let's take advantage of this. Let's do a video. And this is gonna be probably one of the easiest body mods you can do on your truck because it's plug and play. It's really simple. We'll also see how my zip tape's doing because, as you know, I had a lot of leaks going on, and I fixed them. Then I did the zip tape up here, and it's not leaking. It hasn't leaked since. It smells brand new in there. It smells good because that zip tape. I'm gonna check that out too. And I figured I'd do my unboxing on the cabinet I'm working on. What a great substrate to use for this unboxing. Nice. Yeah, this looks cool, man. I'm also gonna do a, it's light out right now, but I'll later on when I put the video together, I'll show you, because this is just cab light, brake light and cab light only. And there's no camera in this. What I'll do is I'll show you the difference from the cab light on that one at night, and then I'll show you with this one in the cab light from this one. So I'll have to take it out. Shit, I'll pop it out. It takes 2 seconds, so I'll install this, then I'll take it back out, put that one back in, show you the light, then put this back in and show you the light with that. That's all. I was gonna do a video before one of these on a night with the light on, so I didn't have to take it off and swap it at night, but that's all right. Yeah, this thing's nice, dude. Damn. Morimoto does make some beautiful products, I tell you. Look at that thing gleaming, man. That's some bling bling right there. That's sexy. Hope I don't drop it. That'll be my luck. Hey, check this out. Ooh! Yeah, it's gonna change. It's gonna change the appearance again and everything. Like these taillights made a huge difference in appearance of the truck, and now putting this in, it's gonna change it again. It's gonna look sick. It's got a juicy gasket on it. It's a little wide here on the sides, but again, mine's zip tape, so I'm not, I don't have to worry about it really. But what I'm gonna do is cut a couple slots here and here, because in case water does get in it, it has a place to drain. But the zip tape will keep it 100% waterproof like it has been. Yeah, it's pretty sweet. X3B. Morimoto. She is nice. All right, let's take the old one off and slap this one in. Before I forget, it does come with a little adapter plug, it seems. I'll find out whether I have to use this or not. I most likely will. Get over here. There's also gaskets. Oh, for the screws. All right, let's pop the old one out. All right, before I start, let's just get a really good look at what it looks like before putting the third brake light in, the XB3 from Morimoto. Never mind that little girly basketball rim. It's my daughter's. So that's what it looks like before. I'll take pictures too at the end, so you know a quick before and after. Will we get one storm this year? Sucks. I could use one more snowstorm, dude. I really could. I love snow. I like that stuck home feeling. You know what I mean? Like, I can't go anywhere. I'm stuck home. I like that feeling. I swear, it's nice to have the sun out today. All right, let's pop this off. Sometimes the weather stripping likes to stick a little bit. All right, zip tape's still holding up good. It's dry in there. There's a little evidence of moisture in water spots. But again, if you make a couple slots and the weather's stripping, I got it right there. So if water does come in here, it will exit and not sit in there. Yeah, so I'll need that adapter. Put it on widescreen for a second. Here you go. Yeah, it's gonna look nice. It's gonna look sick. All right, let me plug in the adapter real quick. There we go. Now plug's good for the new one. Click. And this has a plug-in. You push in here, click in. Has the safety on it. Now again, like when I did the zip tape, I made sure to bring the zip tape back so it, the housing and the plugs go back. This has a little housing too on both sides, so if you do the zip tape properly, this and the old one and this one will fit nice. You do want to be careful screwing these in, dude. If you know how to use these, you'll be good, but don't be going. You need new housing. All right, there it is. Again, wicked simple, really easy. I did use the donuts, these little rubber things they came with for the screws. I'm not sure if that's what they're for, but I did use them. Put that back in the old OEM pile in the garage. Yeah, it looks cool. It's kind of blacked out, you don't see any red. Yeah, definitely, it's black now, so there's no red up there anymore. Big difference, looks cool. And I'll show you guys what it looks like at night with the dome light. It's supposed to be pretty bright. Let me try to turn it on now, see what it looks like. Yeah, it's on there. But again, it's not nighttime. You won't be able to tell. Let me turn this thing on real quick. So the light's on. I wanted to press the brake pedal real quick, see how bright it is with the sun out. This should work. So that's what it looks like during the day with the brake depressed. It's very bright. That's really bright. And all at night I'll do a video. I'll record what it looks like at night as well. Let me show you the side profile too, because it kind of has like a hood on it. That's what it looks like sideways. All right, I was gonna wait till nighttime to show you the difference, but there's no way, because my luck, I'll drop the screws in the dock and I won't be able to put the oven back on, so shut the lights off.
I can't see.
Oh, that's the whole point.
I can't see.
That's okay.
I just can't see.
All right, just a heads up, just to, if you have the zip tape, make sure you make slots for the water to come out, because you don't want it getting puddled up in there. I'm a little embarrassed about that, but it was dirty around my third brake light, so I just took some time and cleaned around it for all the guys that are gonna bust my balls about the dirt. All right, that's all set. Slap this bad boy in, and I'll show you how bright it is with the lights off. All right, man, I just ran upstairs. The UPS guy had my brand new iPhone I had delivering to me, and I got 15 people in the house. No one answers the damn door, dude. Long story. I can't deal with this shit. All right, let's start over. We gotta breathe in and breathe out. All right, so it's kind of dark. It's like really dark. This is the stock brake light. I'm gonna hit the brake, you know, and we'll judge the brightness by how much it lights up the bed. I get the tonneau cover off, and I'll put the bed light on as well. That's the brake light on the OEM brake light, third brake light. I can't get it completely dark because these trucks, the headlights have to stay on. So, but there it is, brake light, and I'll do the bed light. All right, there's the bed light, just the bed light, no brake light. And let's see how bright the Morimoto X3B third brake light is. That's a tongue twister, man. Say that 5 times fast. All right, here's new Morimoto X3B third brake light depressed. Yeah, it's pretty decently bright. Definitely not too bright, but brighter than the stock one. Now we turn on the cab light. Here's the bed light. Sorry, bed light, not cab light. Well, cab bed light. Definitely significantly brighter. Not too crazy bright, but brighter. You can definitely see more. LED lights too. I wish the headlights weren't on so you can see the difference, but definitely brighter. And if you're wondering if the lights, you know, the third brake light, bed lights do turn on when you unlock your truck. So you lock, unlock. Yes, they do turn on for you at night as they would with the stock one. All right, guys, this is the Morimoto XB3 third brake light. Easy install. Much brighter than the other one. Stylish, blacked out. You know, might go with your truck, it might not, but if it does, I think it would. It goes with mine. Very happy with it. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time. Peace.